transparent LED film screen. Installation video SF. E. Prepare materials. 2. Clean glass surface. 3. Spray water evenly on glass surface. 4. Peel off protective film and stick the module to the designated position. 5. Squeegee and remove water. Inspect each module. 6. Connect module FPC to driver controller. 7. Extend AC cable from driver controller. 8. Extend network cable side A. 9. Extend network cable side B. 10. Secure cables, rotate and attach driver controller. Drive control box attached to module. 11. Fasten driver controller. Pre-install next screw. Pre-install the next drive box positioning screw. 12. Connect AC cables one by one. 13. Connect network cables one by one. Complete the screen installation according to this method. 14. Connect the transmitter to screen with the network cable. 15. Power on and test the screen. Video for reference only. Actual construction must comply with local regulations and safety standards.